Now we are at the birthday party. Hello, I'm Sam. Oh, hello, I'm Anne. Where are you from, Anne? I'm from Candy. Hello. Oh, hi, I'm Sanduni. I'm a student here. Oh, really? My name's Sam. Oh, hi, Jenny. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? Oh, I'm okay. Hello, my name's Sam. Hi, I'm Shiva. I'm a teacher here. Oh, really? Where are you from? I'm from Jaffna. Have you met them? Have you met them? Okay, let me introduce. This is Sam. He's my friend. This is Anne. She's a student. This is Jenny. She's my friend. This is Sanduni. She's my student. This is Shiva. He's a teacher. Watch this and find out the question. What's the question? Very good. How are you? How are you? Okay? How are you? 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 I'm fine, thanks. Think different. What are the different ways to ask, how are you? How's it going? How's it going? How is it going? How's it going? How is it going? How is house? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How are things? 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 How are things going? How are things going? How are things going? How are things going? How are you doing? 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 They are my students. Okay? When I meet them, I ask. They ask. How's it going? How are things? How are things going? How are you doing? Okay? Right. Jenny, my friend. Okay? So, when I meet her, I ask, what's up? What's up? What is up? What is what's? What's up? What's up? Hi, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's everything? How's everything? How's everything? How is everything? How is house? How's everything? How's everything? We look at the questions. Now think about the answers. Questions, answers. I'm good. I'm good. I am good. I am. I'm. I'm good. I'm good. I'm great. I'm great. I am great. I'm great. I'm great. Fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. I'm fine. I'm fine. All right. All right. All right. To continue the conversation, okay? Asking, how are you? How are you? Reply, I'm good. I'm good. And you? And you? How are you? I'm fine. Conversation, stop. Stop. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. And you? conversation will continue. To my friend, what's up? Reply, nothing much. Your face says the truth. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So your face tells the truth. Nothing much. Nothing much. Everything is pretty good. 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 If you are sad, you students, if you're happy, sad, you say, I'm good. I'm good. Friends, we tell truth. Our face says the truth. Okay? So friend, we can't hide. I'm good. No. If you are sad, answer, not too good today. 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 Not brilliant actually. Not brilliant actually. Not brilliant actually. Not brilliant actually. Okay? Not brilliant actually. Oh, so. Your friend understands you are in a sad mood. Okay, you are in a sad mood. So if you are happy, I'm great. I'm good. Everything is pretty good. Everything is pretty good. Now tell me, how are you doing? How are you doing? How's it going? How's it going? How are things? How are things? So write me in the comment box. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. And it's very important you to click the notification bell icon. Then only you can get my videos as soon as possible. See you tomorrow.